Hey everyone, it's Dr. Molly Larson to talk about anti-inflammatory nutrition. Managing inflammation is crucial for your health. There's sneaky inflammation inside your body you might not realize. Uric acid can trigger inflammation and health issues. We can control uric acid levels through diet. We'll explore anti-inflammatory foods and practical tips. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a superstar of the anti-inflammatory world, the tomato. That juicy red fruit is packed with antioxidants. One of the most notable is lycopene. Lycopene reduces inflammation and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Tomatoes are also a great source of vitamin C. And don't forget about potassium, which regulates blood pressure. Enjoy them fresh in sauces or roasted. Get creative in the kitchen. Now you might be wondering, does cooking tomatoes affect their nutritional value? Well, here's the interesting thing. Cooking tomatoes actually increases their lycopene content. That's because heat helps break down the cell walls, making it easier for our bodies to absorb this powerful antioxidant. So don't hesitate to get those tomatoes simmering in a pot of homemade tomato sauce or roasting alongside some vegetables for a delicious and nutritious meal. And here's a pro tip. Adding a little bit of healthy fat like olive oil can further enhance the absorption of lycopene. Speaking of olive oil, it just so happens to be our next anti-inflammatory superstar. But before we move on, I want to emphasize that incorporating tomatoes into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier you. So, load up on those tomatoes and experience the incredible benefits they have to offer. Let's move on to another anti-inflammatory all-star that has been enjoyed for centuries, especially in the Mediterranean region: olive oil. This liquid gold, as I like to call it, is not just a culinary staple, but a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that can do wonders for your body. One of the key anti-inflammatory compounds found in olive oil is called oleocanthal. This powerful compound has been shown to have similar effects to ibuprofen, a common over-the-counter pain reliever. That means olive oil can actually help reduce pain and inflammation throughout the body, but the benefits don't stop there. Olive oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for regulating blood sugar levels. So, incorporating olive oil into your diet is like giving your body a protective shield against inflammation and chronic diseases. And the best part? It's readily available and easy to incorporate into your everyday cooking. Now, when it comes to olive oil, not all varieties are created equal. Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed and most beneficial type. It's made from the first cold pressing of the olives, which preserves its natural flavor and nutrients. So when you're at the grocery store, look for extra virgin olive oil that's stored in a dark glass bottle to protect it from light degradation. And don't be afraid to give it a sniff. High-quality olive oil should have a fresh, slightly peppery aroma. Now, you might be wondering how much olive oil you should be consuming. Well, a good rule of thumb is to aim for about 2 tablespoons per day. You can drizzle it over salads, use it for sautéing vegetables, or even add a teaspoon to your smoothies for a healthy fat boost. Remember, incorporating olive oil into your diet is a delicious and easy way to fight inflammation and improve your overall health. So embrace this liquid gold and experience its incredible benefits for yourself. Hey everyone, Dr. Molly Larson here, exploration of anti-inflammatory foods. Let's talk about those leafy greens you always hear about. We're talking spinach, kale, cabbage, nature's powerhouses. These veggies are absolutely loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for fighting inflammation. Think of inflammation like a fire in your body. These leafy greens, they're like firefighters rushing to put out the flames and protect your cells from damage. And trust me, you want those cells protected. Chronic inflammation can lead to all sorts of health issues down the line. Now, I know some people aren't the biggest fans of leafy greens, but there are so many delicious ways to incorporate them into your diet. Toss them into your smoothies, stir-fries, or soups. You can even sneak them into sauces. Get creative. Remember, a healthy diet is all about balance and variety. By adding more leafy greens to your plate, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight inflammation and stay healthy. So embrace the power of green. Let's dive a little deeper into the specific benefits of these leafy greens. Spinach, for example, is a fantastic source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health. It's also rich in folate, which is essential for cell growth and development. Kale, on the other hand, is a true superstar when it comes to antioxidants. It's packed with vitamins C and A, both of which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. And don't forget about cabbage. This cruciferous vegetable contains compounds that have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. The beauty of these greens is that they're incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them raw in salads, sauté them with some garlic and olive oil, or even blend them into a delicious pesto. The possibilities are endless. So make it a goal to incorporate more spinach, kale, and cabbage into your diet. Your body will thank you for it. And remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. I'm back, and today we're talking about fighting inflammation with delicious snacks. Let's be real, snacking can be a slippery slope, but it doesn't have to be. Choosing the right snacks can actually help you stay on track with your health goals. And when it comes to anti-inflammatory options, almonds and walnuts are at the top of my list. These nuts are nutritional powerhouses, packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber. They're like little warriors, fighting inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. Plus, they're incredibly satisfying, which can help curb those cravings for less healthy snacks. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Nuts are high in fat, and you're right, they are. But it's the good kind of fat monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can actually help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of almonds or walnuts instead of that bag of chips. Your body will thank you for it. Let's talk about why these nuts are so good for you. Almonds, for instance, are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. They're also a good source of magnesium, which plays a crucial role in muscle function and blood sugar control. Walnuts, on the other hand, are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and even Alzheimer's disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Both almonds and walnuts are high in fiber, which is essential for digestive health and can help you feel fuller for longer. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to manage your weight. So, make it a habit to incorporate almonds and walnuts into your daily diet. Sprinkle them on your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, or enjoy them as a satisfying snack on their own. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. Hey everyone, Dr. Molly Larson back, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of fatty fish. Now, I know some people shy away from fish, but trust me on this one. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are nutritional powerhouses loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. And when it comes to fighting inflammation, omega-3s are like superheroes in your system. Think of inflammation like a villain trying to wreak havoc on your body. Omega-3s swoop in with their capes flying, neutralizing the villain and restoring peace and balance. Okay, maybe not literally capes, but you get the idea. But seriously, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for reducing inflammation throughout your body. They've been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, certain types of cancer, and even autoimmune diseases. Plus, they're great for your brain health. So if you're looking for a delicious and effective way to fight inflammation, look no further than fatty fish. Let's dive into some specific examples. Let's talk about some of my favorite fatty fish. Salmon is a true superstar, rich in omega-3s, protein, vitamin D, and potassium. You can grill it, bake it, poach it, the possibilities are endless. Tuna is another fantastic option. Lean but still packs omega-3s. Great in salads, sandwiches, or straight out of the can. Mackerel is rich in omega-3s and has a delicious, slightly salty flavor. Try it grilled or smoked for a real treat. Sardines are nutritional powerhouses packed with omega-3s, calcium, and vitamin D. Incorporate fatty fish into your diet for better health. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Molly Larson here, back in our deep dive into anti-inflammatory nutrition. We've covered a lot of great foods already, but let's talk about something we all love: fruit. Specifically, those little powerhouses like strawberries, blueberries, and cherries. These guys are packed with antioxidants, which are like little warriors fighting off inflammation in your body. Think of inflammation as a fire, and antioxidants are the firefighters working to put it out. Berries are also a great source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut, and a healthy gut means a happier you. We're talking improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and even a boost to your immune system. Now that's what I call a sweet deal. Remember, a balanced diet with plenty of these fruits can make a real difference in how you feel. Now let's not forget about our citrus friends. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons. They're not just for breakfast anymore. These zesty fruits are bursting with vitamin C, another potent antioxidant that helps your body fight inflammation. And don't even get me started on their flavor. They add a refreshing zing to your meals and drinks. Imagine a bright salad with orange segments, or a tall glass of water infused with lemon and cucumber. Not only are they delicious, but they're also incredibly hydrating, which is crucial for overall health and well-being. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins, keeps your joints lubricated, and even improves your energy levels. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, grab some of these anti-inflammatory fruits. Your body will thank you. Let's talk about something you might not hear about every day: the pH balance of your food. pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline something is. Now you might be thinking, what does that have to do with my health? Well, it turns out quite a bit. When we consume too many acidic foods, it can disrupt our body's natural pH balance, potentially leading to inflammation. Think of it like this: your body functions best within a specific pH range, just like how a fish tank needs the right pH for the fish to thrive. Now, I'm not saying all acidic foods are bad. Some of them, like citrus fruits, are actually packed with nutrients. It's all about balance. That's where alkaline foods come in. They help neutralize the acidity and bring your body back into equilibrium. So how do we achieve this balance? It's all about making mindful food choices. Load up on those alkaline superstars like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, and healthy fats like avocados and olive oil. These foods help counteract the acidity from things like processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive animal products. Remember, it's not about eliminating entire food groups, but rather incorporating a variety of foods to create that perfect harmony on your plate. And don't forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and maintain a healthy pH balance. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and making mindful choices, you can support your body's natural ability to maintain a healthy pH balance and reduce inflammation from the inside out. We've covered the science, now let's get cooking. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet doesn't have to be bland or boring. In fact, it's an opportunity to get creative in the kitchen and explore new flavors. For a breakfast that will energize your morning, try a Citrus Bliss smoothie bowl. It's packed with antioxidants from berries and oranges, healthy fats from avocado, and a boost of protein from Greek yogurt. Top it with your favorite granola and some fresh fruit for a satisfying and delicious start to your day. For lunch, how about a mango avocado quinoa salad? It's a refreshing and flavorful combination of sweet mango, creamy avocado, protein-packed quinoa, and a zesty lime dressing. It's a perfect meal to keep you feeling full and satisfied all afternoon. Need a quick and easy snack? Crispy kale chips with lemon zest are the perfect solution. Simply toss kale leaves with olive oil, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt, then bake until crispy. They're a healthy and satisfying alternative to traditional potato chips. For dinner, let's go with a crowd-pleasing grilled lemon herb chicken breast. Marinate chicken breasts in a mixture of lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and herbs. Then grill to perfection. Serve it alongside a colorful quinoa and vegetable-stuffed bell peppers for a complete and nutritious meal. And for those of you who want to take all the guesswork out of anti-inflammatory eating, I've got you covered. I've partnered with Valentina to create a downloadable recipe and meal plan cookbook filled with even more delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. That's it for today's video on anti-inflammatory foods and recipes. Remember, Making small, sustainable changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Click the link in the description box below to download the recipe and meal plan cookbook and start your journey to a healthier you today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes.